You know, he tried hard to help me. He put me at ease. Then he loved me so naughty, made me weak in the knees. I wish I had a river I could skate away.